In this video, I'll show you how to add WhatsApp sticker to Instagram story. And to do this, it is really important that you have your Instagram updated to the latest version. And in order to do this, you're basically going to your App Store or Google Play Store, and then you're going to search for Instagram and then click on update. So when you have that done, you're going to fire up your Instagram app. And from here, we are going to click on your story. So we're going to click on the plus icon on here. And right now you're going to select a photo or a video you want to add to your story. So you click on something, and right now we're going to click on stickers. And in here we see the new WhatsApp sticker feature. And to use it, you're going to basically click on this sticker and then you will add it to your story. And it can be the case that this is not visible for you at the moment. So what you need to do then is you need to update your phone to the latest version and your WhatsApp and Instagram, because it can have to do with the both of them. So you have to do that in order to get this when it's not visible. And the other thing can be that Instagram is slowly bringing this new feature to more and more accounts. So it can be the case that your account is not eligible for this yet, but this will definitely be usable for more and more people really soon. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.